This video is about the relationship of the radius of a circle and the tangent to that circle. The theorem says that if a line is tangent to a circle, then it is perpendicular to the radius at its outer endpoint. Illustrating this to the figure at the right, line XZ is perpendicular to segment YZ. This also means that they form two right angles. Thus, triangle XZY is a right triangle. Let's have examples. Example 1, from the figure at the right, line CE is tangent to circle A at point C. If the length of AC is equal to 7 centimeters and the length of CE is equal to 24 centimeters, how far is point E from point A? Triangle ACE is a right triangle. Apply the Pythagorean theorem to find the distance of A to E. The Pythagorean theorem formula: AE, or the length of AE, is equal to square root of AC squared plus EC squared equals square root of 7 squared plus 24 squared, that is the square root of 49 plus 576, is equal to the square root of 625. Therefore, the length of AE is equal to 25 centimeters. Example 2, in circle E, OG, or the length of OG, is 8 units and the length of EG is 17 units. Find the length of EO. Triangle EOG is a right triangle because EO is perpendicular to ray GO. EG is the hypotenuse and EO and OG are the legs of the right triangle. Applying the Pythagorean theorem, EG squared is equal to the sum of the squares of the two legs. That is, EO is equal to the square root of the difference of the square of the hypotenuse and the square of one leg. Substituting the values, that is square root of 17 squared minus 8 squared is equal to the square root of 289 minus 64, which is equal to the square root of 225. The length of EO is equal to 15 units. In example number 3, in the figure at the right, find the value of X. X is the length of TP or PT. This is the tangent segment to circle O. S measures 5 units, and then from S to P measures 7 units. Radius that is perpendicular to tangent segment TP for one of the radii which is OS, measures 5 units, and all radii of a circle are congruent. Therefore, the length of OT is also 5 units. Triangle OTP is a right triangle because OT is perpendicular to TP. Applying the Pythagorean theorem, OP squared, which is the square of the hypotenuse, equals the square of the legs, OT, plus the square of TP, the other leg. Finding the unknown length of TP, which is equal to the square root of OP squared minus OT squared, which is equal to the square root of 12 squared minus 5 squared, is equal to the square root of 144 minus 25, equals the square root of 119, and the length of TP, which is x, is approximately 10.91 units. So that's it. More videos related to tangent and other terms related to circles are also available in this channel.